Hello everyone. Cooking, reading, talking, teaching, jumping, arguing. These are some of my favorite activities. Yes, what does that bring to your mind? Yes, they were still talking about gerunds. Do you still remember what we said the gerund is? We said that a gerund is that word which looks like a verb, but it's not a verb, rather, it is actually a noun. Yes, it's actually a noun. Now, we told us that for us to identify gerunds, okay, since they look like the continuous form of verbs, for us to identify them, we said that you can identify them by the action that or the function that they perform, rather, what they do in the sentence. Now, a verb will always do actions or state, tell of a state of being or tell about a doing. Okay, but gerunds, we mentioned that they perform four distinct functions. We said that the gerund would act as the subject of the sentence, it would act as the object of the sentence. We said also that the gerund would act as, come after a verb plus a preposition, kind of phrase. And then a gerund can also come, with common expressions. It can come after common expressions. Okay. So if you still have this in mind, now let's look at last week we looked in our first class we looked at subject and object. Now we're looking at gerunds coming after verbs and prepositions and of course with common expressions. So let's look at this. Now, a gerund can come after a verb plus a preposition. Okay, you know your prepositions. Okay, words that tell us the relationship between two or more nouns in a sentence. Now you have into, after, behind, between, on, under. There's so many of them. Now let's look at what we mean by having a structure like verb plus preposition and then a gerund, because we said it comes after. Now we have, for verb we have thinking. Here it is a verb. That's the doing. Preposition about, and then gerund joining. For verb again we have left. We have preposition without, and then we have gerund saying. For verb again we have look forward. For preposition we have to, and then for gerund we have receiving. So you have something like left without saying, thinking about joining, look forward to receiving. So now friends, let's take a break. Kindly make 3 sentences from this for me. 3 sentences from this. Quickly. Using these gerunds, I mean. Make three, sentences. Okay, let's look at mine. All right? Let's look at mine. Now, here I have some sentences. I have three. Now, Tim left without saying goodbye. Left without saying goodbye. I'm thinking about joining a sports club. 3, we look forward to receiving from you. And we really like to use this for our letters. We say, I look forward to hearing from you, You know that. So this is what you have. A gerund coming after a verb plus a preposition, structure. All right, let's move on. All right. We're saying that we're also adding that when we talk about prepositions, there are some prepositions that come in expression form, okay? They're expressions, okay? Yes, the gerund will also follow after such expressions. Now look at prepositional expressions as fed up with, no point in spite of. You would notice that these phrases end in a preposition like with, in, and of. So I'm fed up with sharing this room with a total stranger. Now I am fed up with sharing. Sharing is the gerund. There is no point in arguing with her. In spite of waiting for hours, the driver didn't show up. Okay, so gerunds can come after expressions, prepositional expressions. Okay, we don't want to just say that they are prepositional phrases. Okay, now let's go ahead to see gerunds coming after common expressions. We have common expressions as I can't stand, can't help, it's no use. Or we have the to be, to be worth, when you